Namaste everyone, this is Sebata here. In this video it's about the website that has been launched that carries the music that I've been doing. And so if you're interested in downloading any of the songs, the website is www.sebata.co.za. Sebata is Sebatah. Don't forget the H. And with all my love and all my respect, I share this music with you. You can download for free. And please, if you feel in your heart maybe to donate whatever, the options are there. And please, the music is actually free. So it's all love to you. Thank you very much.